Welcome everyone, this is Louis and right now you are watching Timeless Side Trails. We are here at the LA Tar Pits. Right now we are located 3 miles east from Century City and 6 miles west of downtown LA and 8 miles north from LAX. So I was around here by the LA Tar Pits, here with my son. I think it was a really fun day to come today because one of the more well-known historical landmarks, all the dinosaurs, they all drown in this park, as you can see right there. When you come inside the park, this is what you're gonna see once you turn on the left. This is such an awesome park. If you wanna come, the grounds outside, you don't have to pay any fee to come inside, but once you go inside the museum that is right there on the right, you have to pay a fee. If you are LA native, you're from the military, you can actually enter for free from 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. Monday to Friday. But right now we got a little earlier because we got a lot of stuff to do before. We're supposed to go a different tar pits up north in LA. It was a little bit too far to go up there, but next time I'm gonna make a video of the LA tar pits. We have like 2 or 3 different tar pits. The LA County area. Oh, this is another historical landmark. This is the Hancock Brea Pits from Captain Alan Hancock with a request to the Science and Feature Preserve. First historic 1769. So beyond this is all the tar pits. Chester Stock, paleontologist, a creator of the LA County Museum, Science of California Institute of Technology, who encouraged by the observation actually of the tar pits in Hancock Park, in particular excavated deposits of fossil and bubbly asphalt enclosed. The first open of 1952 depth excavation of 12 feet, located on the site Pit 101. The display and observation demonstrate that what fossil look like while being excavated. I have found here mammoth and plants from the last 50,000 years, microfossils, insects, plants, mammoth. What else? Saber-toothed tigers and Stegosaurus and Ankylosaurus. Oh my god, he knows all the animals and the dinosaurs and all that. Okay, let's go around now. So we're entering right now here at the LA Tar Pits Museum. And right now we are here at the gift shop. So they have a lot of clothes and stuffed animals. Also as well some crystals in the bottom for them to get or to play. A lot of different type of toys, mostly mammoth and some jewelry around. And hats for the kids and stickers. Nice, great souvenir shop to come and shop for small souvenirs. So this will be the mammoth. So this is the remains of the massive ground slug, ancient creatures from the past. They said that this is the actual tar pit down here. So this tar pit they excavated for more than 50,000 years ago. Right now, I'm gonna try to put it up. It was really difficult to put up during this time because it was the actual tar. We both keep trying with my son and it was really difficult. So this is the skeleton of the majestic Ice Age towing mammoth elephant. So are those all the bones of different dinosaurs or extinct? Bison and what else? Deer, says here the black bear, the American lion. So this is very cool to see. Oh, this is supposed to be the California saber-toothed tiger. That is so cool. Look how big those are. And that's one of the original mammoth, how they used to look like. So here they have a lot of types of exhibit of birds, like a pelican, and it looks like they have a vulture, prehistoric vulture back in the day, as called the Phalosaurus, and twins of snarling saber-toothed cats known as hunting skills teeth. And this is the fossil lab where they found a lot of each year. They keep following down underground more different types of fossils, from small bones to small teeth and insects as well. They're all working hard right there. So this is the extinct western horse. So not too much known is about this horse. To be 50,000 years old, and it's actually from the zebra family. So at the time I was going inside the museum, I'm like, why are they building this bridge on the outside? All to know is rejuvenizing the museum, the life of the future of the Brea Tar Pits. And this is how it's gonna look like at the end of 2029. This is a 40,000-year-old tusk belonging to the Colombian mammoth. And here they were showing how they were excavating back in the 1920s to find more bones and fossils. And right now, right there is Ice 3D. They cost around $6. And this mammoth was one of the best preserved found back in the 1920s. By some scientists, and it was well preserved. Oh, it's huge. And right here we see a diagram of all the evolution of the solar system from the dinosaur era to the present time. Okay. So we're here in the middle of the museum and this beautiful path. And on top I see this metal rating. And in the future I think they're gonna make a roof on it. It's beautiful how they can put everything out to inside at this museum, and I see this small stream of lake. So this is an aerial look of the LA Tar Pits. This museum is a heritage site and it was nominated on 2022. So this is how the museum used to look like in the 1920s while they were excavating for mammoth and other species alike. So this is the LA Tar Pits, and this is Timeless Side Trails. And remember, I'm a real estate agent in California. All my links will be below. Thanks for watching, and until next one, bye.